Ever feel like you're leaving money on the table every time you pay your monthly phone bill? Most of us treat our cellular plan as an unavoidable sunk cost, but if you aren't strategically using reward points to offset that balance, you're essentially paying a laziness tax to your carrier. After years of testing different redemption methods across major carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, I've found that the best way isn't always the most obvious one. Usually, people try to redeem points for hardware, like a new pair of headphones or a discounted tablet, but the math almost never works out in your favor due to inflated MSRPs in carrier stores. The most efficient strategy is the direct statement credit, but there is a specific order of operations you should follow to maximize value. First, check your credit card ecosystem before looking at your carrier's app. If you use a card like the Wells Fargo AutoPay or a Chase Inc. Business Preferred, you are likely earning 3% to 5% back on telecommunications. I've found that the absolute gold standard is to use these earned points to buy carrier-specific gift cards through a secondary reward portal. This often allows you to double dip, earning points on the initial purchase and then applying the gift card balance to the bill, which keeps your cash in your pocket. Second, if you are using a carrier-branded loyalty program, stop hoarding points for a big reward. Devaluation is common in these programs. I make it a habit to apply my credits the moment they hit the minimum redemption threshold, which is usually $5 or $10. This effectively turns your phone plan into a subsidized utility rather than a fluctuating expense. Finally, always ensure your reward redemption doesn't accidentally disable your autopay and paperless billing discount. Some systems view a manual rewards payment as a manual intervention, which can strip away a $5 or $10 monthly discount. Always apply your rewards as a secondary credit to ensure that your primary automated payment method stays active. Redeeming for service credit might not feel as exciting as unboxing a new gadget, but it is the only way to guarantee a 1-to-1 value ratio or better. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.